Getting your oil change or getting your service work done at a mom and pop's place or a different business besides a dealership. When I say different business, I mean it could be a place that does oil changes or a place that just services cars. I want to compare a dealership and oil change place or just a place you can get a service is because I want to bring out an example that happened with a customer of mine. Customer bought a car from me. I think the car had about 35,000 miles on it when she got it. She got an oil change at, just to say, at an oil change place. And they accidentally put the wrong miles on her vehicle when they reported it to Carfax. Instead of the vehicle having the miles on it that she bought the vehicle in, 30,000 miles added to her current miles on the Carfax. Not to her car, but on the Carfax. So when she went to go sell that car, she wanted to sell that car. She just had the car like a little bit over a year. She went to a Ford store. Ford store looked it up and they said, well, you know, your car has this many miles on it, but on Carfax it has this many miles on it. And she was like, no, that's not right. So she went to originally back to the place where she got the oil change was, and they said they made a mistake. She asked them at least 5 times to correct it. They had not. She waited 2 weeks. Then she said, well, let me call Carvana. Carvana, you know how they do everything online. They didn't look up to check the miles on the car. They didn't have a problem with it. They didn't have a problem with it because they didn't check the Carfax. They didn't care. But the dealership did. So I guess I'm saying to you, the bottom line is this. When you get in your car service anywhere, doesn't matter whether it's a dealership or a mom and pop's place, make sure those miles are right on your receipt. Check out your receipt. When you leave a place after getting your car service, it doesn't matter where you get your car service. It doesn't matter whether it's a dealership or an oil place beside the dealership or a service place. Just make sure they report everything correctly. How do you know that? Look on your receipt. Make sure your miles and everything correctly on the receipt. Make sure the miles are right because you don't want to cause future problems. Just advice from the queen. All right, see you on my next video.